I like to think of us as leaders in the sector, particularly in the tech space.
We have a very big focus on utilising technology so we can actually better the services that we offer the community.
The Your Library app is definitely the best way to make the most of your library membership. You can manage your account and even actually check out items now within the app, so you don't even have to visit our self-checkouts in branch.
Community is struggling and they are coming to us for help with many things. And we're in a very fortunate position where we have a service offering that actually going to cater everyone.
We offer a wide range of technology support at your library through a range of group sessions. Each branch has a tech support officer that is more than happy to help.
There's lots of energy and activity here, and lots of people don't realise until they come in, and then it's pretty instant. You can see that it's not like the old tucked away quiet libraries.